Hello, Miss Gom is back with another review video. We're going to be reviewing our notes and rests that we've gone over so far in class. The first is the quarter note. That is our fully colored in black dot with the stem, and that equals 1 beat. The second note we learned about is the half note. Looks very similar to the quarter note, but it is our black circle that is not filled in with the stem, and that equals 2 beats. The third note we learned about is the whole note, and it is just a full or an oval that is empty, and it equals 4 beats. Now, following that pattern is the same way we learned the rests. So this weird little guy here is our quarter rest. He equals 1 beat. And our hat, remember he looks like a top hat. The black rectangle is on top of the line. He equals 2 beats of rest. Our last rest we learned about is the whole rest. It is the black line with a rectangle underneath. And remember, it's like a hole in the ground. If it's under the line, it's a hole in the ground. Whole rest equals 4 beats. And we're going to quickly look at some examples here. We're going to look at line number 6. I will underline that for you guys so you can see exactly what we're looking at. We're going to look at line number 6. Right there. So, looking at our first measure, we come across our quarter note. And remember, we're counting to 4 right now. Every measure counts to 4. So we have a quarter note that equals 1 beat. Then we come to our quarter rest, which would be on beat 2. It's not going to make any sound. Remember, rest is a count of silence. Then our third beat, another quarter note. And our fourth beat, another quarter rest. Very good. Then we're going to look at our next measure. And remember, we're counting to 4. There's only one note here. And what note takes up 4 beats? Come back to our little reminders up here. That would be the whole note. That would be the whole note. And so we're going to go ahead and write in here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now remember, to show that all of these beats go for one note, we put a little bracket. The next measure is exactly the same as the first, so I'm not going to fill that in right now, but remember this quarter note, beat 1, quarter rest 2, quarter note 3, quarter rest 4. Now we're coming to see our rest here. Do we remember what kind of rest it is? Take a close look. It looks like the top hat, so that's a half rest. Top hat, half rest, half rest. So we're going to put 1, 2, and remember for our rest, we put parentheses. Because they're not going to make any sound. Then we come to another note here. Remember, it looks very similar to the quarter note. The only difference is it's not completely filled in. So that has to be our half note. We're going to put 3 and 4. And because both beats go together, we put a little bracket underneath. Now we're going to clap this whole line. Hands up in the screen. Remember, you have to show your hands for class. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So remember, when we do half notes or whole notes, anything that equals to more than 1 beat, you do not clap after every beat. You only clap for where that note starts. So for the whole note, starts right on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you drag through the beat. For this half note, starts on 3, 3, 4. All right, don't forget.